Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to the Gullu's in the kitchen. Today now I'm making an easy method of chicken liver fry. You can see the easy ingredients and very low. Salt, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, onion slices, turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander and mint leaves, liver and gizzards, cumin powder and coriander powder, green chili, raw muscat, cumin seeds, oil. This is the recipe for liver fry. First take the vessel and pour oil. Then add onions, fry it nicely until golden brown color. Little bit is enough. Add salt, next add liver and gizzards. Next add curry leaves and green chili raw muscat. Next add the ginger garlic paste. Next add turmeric powder and chili powder. Cook it on low flame. Add little bit of water and cook it nicely. Then add coriander and cumin powder. Cook for 5 minutes on low flame. Then remove it. You can add coriander chop and mint chop. And place the deccan. Finally, livers and gizzards is fried. You can check how it is cooked. Take into this serving plate. You can eat with rotis, chapatis and parota. It's a nice combination. Now I'm tasting. Nice coated masala. Nice combination for the rotis. And thanks for watching.